In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check disk usage in Cloudways. If your website starts having backup issues, strange performance problems, or random errors, one possible cause is low disk space. In Cloudways, storage is tracked at the server level first, not just inside each individual application. That means if your server starts running out of space, it can affect every site, staging environment, and database on that server. So the goal here is to check overall disk usage, review storage trends, identify which application is using the most space, and then drill down into folder and database usage. First, log into your Cloudways account and open the platform dashboard. From the top navigation bar, click on Servers, then select the server you want to inspect. Once you are inside that server, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Monitoring. By default, you should land on the summary view. Here, find the disk usage gauge. This gives you a quick snapshot of how much of your available storage is currently being used. Since this metric updates periodically, it is a very useful first check. If your usage is getting close to the 80 or 90% range, that is a strong warning sign that you may need to clean up storage or plan for scaling. Next, move over to the Details tab to look at storage behavior over time. In the metric dropdown, choose Free Disk. Then set your preferred date range, whether that is the last week, the last month, or even several months back. This graph helps you see whether free space is stable or steadily dropping. A sharp decline usually points to something like log growth, large backups, cached files, or another accumulation issue that needs attention. After that, go back to the summary area and scroll down until you see application-wise details. Expand that section to view the applications running on this server. Cloudways will show the size of each app, making it easy to spot which one is consuming the most storage. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple websites on the same server. Once you know which application is taking up space, click that application name to open its dashboard. Then go to its monitoring area and open the disk usage panel. Here you can review the storage breakdown in more detail. You will see folder level usage in the web root, which helps you locate heavy directories like uploads, cache, or archived files. You can also review database table sizes to identify oversized tables that may need optimization. Before you finish, take a final moment to review your server metrics, free disk levels, and alert settings. Make sure you still have a comfortable amount of available space and that storage notifications are active. That is how to check disk usage in Cloudways clearly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.